sure is amazing to be in the kitchen. Well, this morning is Thursday morning, and what? We want to get the morning bright up, you know what I mean? Just like today. So what we're going to do is make a nice lovely smoothie with banana and spinach. A lot more stuff inside of it. Hopefully you guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. See you next time. Bye bye. Lovely and nice. Welcome back. This is Thursday morning. Basically what we're going to do this morning is this Thursday morning we're going to make a healthy drink for Thursday morning. Alright? Keep yourself really healthy and good. First thing, I got some curly leaf right here. As you can see, Chef Ricardo is using this. I'm going to put roughly a handful inside of this smoothie ninja blender. Second thing, carrot. See, nice one. A little bit of spinach. Really nice. And also we got some here. You can use lettuce or iceberg lettuce. It's up to you, option. The only thing I recognize I didn't have. Piece of ginger. I just remove the skin off the ginger. Only thing I recognize I don't have, I can't believe, I run out of lemon. It's fine, still can go ahead. One ripe banana. Ripe banana is good for your immune system and it helps fill you up. Right, I'm gonna put a few pieces of ice in it. Ice is just like for get it cool, as you can enjoy the recipe. A pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is good for your system, immune system. I'm gonna put a little bit of grated ginger in it. Little bit of water. Not too much, just a little bit of water. Then some honey, teaspoon of honey. Blend this for about 4 to 5 seconds on a good ninja blender. Alright, enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. I just finished blend it. Basically this is the way it looks. Let's give it a taste. Really nice. But sometimes I drink the fiber, sometimes I doesn't drink the fiber. So what basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain it like this. It's really nice still. You can drink it same way. Sometimes I doesn't drink the fiber. Really nice. As you can see, really smooth, come out really good. So this all of this going inside of you is really good for you same way, but not all the time. Sometimes you just need to just drink the liquid. Nice and lovely. So now I just finished straining it up and I have some more left. Basically 2 pieces of ice in this sauce. Just serve it like this. Beautiful and nice. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. So as you can see, really nice. So hopefully you guys like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. And thank you so much. This is for Thursday morning. It's good for you to just start the morning like this with a healthy drink. Then you can have your breakfast after. So enjoy it and see you next time.